Cost of 105 envelopes is rupees 350. How many envelopes can be purchased for rupees 100? Again, we are going to use unitary method because what we have been given is in rupees 350 you can purchase, in rupees 350 you can purchase 105 envelopes. So they are asking for rupees 100, that is how many envelopes can be purchased in these rupees 100. If we find out that how many envelopes can be purchased in rupee 1, then if we find this value, then if we simply multiply this value by 100, because this will give us the number of envelopes that can be purchased using rupee 1. Then if we have the information for rupee 1, then we can calculate for rupees 100 by simply multiplying with 100. So in rupee 1 we can purchase, in rupee 1 we can purchase 105 divided by 350, because if in 350 envelopes, in rupees 350, if we purchase 105 envelopes, then in 1 rupee we can purchase 105 divided by 350. That is what unitary method is. So if we'll divide this, you will get 0.3 envelopes. 0.3 envelope. Now if you're scratching your head and saying that what's that? This is 0.3. It's not even 1. So it means that it's less than 1. And then what does that mean actually? That even if we don't have a single envelope? Well, don't worry. We have to deal with such situations or such values when in mathematics. So in rupee 1 you can purchase 0.3 envelope. Okay, it means that in rupees 100 we can purchase 0.3 times 100 envelopes. And why? Because if this is the number of envelope we can purchase in rupee 1, then in rupees 100 this will be 0.3 times 100, and this will be 30 envelopes. If you multiply this 0.3 with 100, you'll get 30 envelopes. So this will be the way to find it.